Hey guys, it's Chantel J and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about permanent lock extensions. Right here is the finished look of my permanent lock extensions. I cut off half of my relaxer and I installed permanent lock extensions. So keep watching and I will show you the process of how I got here. This is me frustrated with my relaxer. I have to relax it. I have to color it. I have to do halos. I have to make sure it's curled. It sweats out at the gym. I was frustrated and tired of it. So I made a decision. And how we started is my daughter gave me cornrows in the size partings that I know I want each lock to be. And from there, I started locking one braid at a time. I actually handmade each and every one of my own locks. I bought Afro Kinky hair, I bought a locking tool, and I made each lock. I made 100 locks to be installed into my head. Human hair locks can be purchased, but I couldn't find the exact size that I wanted, and I figured if I can make it, why not? I think it just makes my lock journey a little more special because I handmade these locks myself. I chose a dark auburn color because I have been dyeing my hair a dark red and I didn't want black hair anymore. So here we are with parts of the top already done. Like I said, I took little sections out of each braid, took out one braid at a time so I don't make a mess. I left that bottom braid because I didn't want to connect any of the hair on the bottom that wasn't braided up into it. And since this is my first time, I had to be very careful and take my time in doing so. It was kind of easy once I got started. The hardest part to me was the parts. Making the parts was so hard, especially my hair is so straight with from the relaxer. And I cut off parts of the relaxer each time I made a twist. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I actually added a complete 100 locks in here. And it took me maybe 3 days total. 2.5 to 3 hours each day. Right here, I'm showing you how I attach the lock to my hair. Like I said, I cut off half of the relaxer. I left about 1.25 inches of my hair, and I attached the loose end of the lock to the end of my hair. I left the part of my hair that is natural because I do have new growth in there. It actually takes me about maybe 4 to 7 minutes to attach each lock. And then sometimes I have to go back on a lock just to make sure it's connecting to the root properly. But again, I don't go so close to the root where it's popping my roots. Just enough so that you can't see the loose hairs from the lock hanging out. You want to try and make a smooth transition. You don't want any lines of demarcation. Even though the hair color is different, as it grows, your hair at the root will lock and it's going to blend in just lovely. So all the locks are in now, and I'm actually in the salon getting ready to get them twisted, and I'm going to have my first lock look. Keep watching. I gave it a layered cut so that they look neat.